Hello, boys and girls. This week I want us to do a new writing unit on opinion writing. In the past, we've been doing informational writing. And so before we jump into our new writing unit, I want us to quickly review on informational writing. And so for informational writing, the important thing is when we are doing informational writing, we're providing at least 3 facts, okay? And and the type of writing is nonfiction, okay? So these are facts are real, they're not make-believe, and so this is the type of writing that we've been doing. We've been also doing on different topics, such as Black leaders and heroes. Some of you uh, wrote about Martin Luther King Jr. Some of you wrote about Rosa Parks. Some of you wrote about Kobe Bryant. And then some of you wrote about Michelle Obama, the First Lady, and President Barack Obama. Okay, and so we also did topics on animals. Some of you wrote about cheetahs, about puppies, so cute, right? And dolphins, and yeah. And so we were acting as researchers, and we looked up information on Google's, we read books about these topics, and so we found a lot of facts to provide in our writing. And when we were writing, we organized our thoughts through using hamburger writing. So remember, we wrote topic sentence, then we wrote detail number 1, detail number 2, detail number 3, and we provided examples, right? With all the facts that we found, we provided our facts in here, right? And then we use our concluding sentence, which is the same as the topic sentence. And so we've been doing this. And so now, and also what's most important is when we were doing our writing, we use transition word. For the first detail, we use first, for example, to start, to begin. In the second detail, we use transition words like also, next, plus, in addition, second, third. And in the last detail, we use words like finally, last but not least. And then concluding sentence, we use in conclusion to summarize, as you can see, okay? So transition words are important to help our writing flow, okay? All right, so opinion writing. So now we're moving away from informational writing, and now we're doing opinion writing, okay? Opinion and fact is very different, okay? So what is an opinion, okay? That's the first thing that we need to ask ourselves. What is an opinion, okay? We need to know the difference between fact and opinion, okay? And that's what I'm going to help you in this video lesson. I'm going to help you to know the difference between fact and opinion, okay? All right, so fact is telling us what actually happened and can be proven true or false, okay? So you need evidence to prove that facts can be true or facts can be false, okay? Opinion tells an attitude or judgment that cannot be proven true or false, okay? So this one, no matter what you say, it can't, there's no general agreement that what you say is true or what you say is false, okay? So we're gonna go deeper into this so you have a better understanding of what that means, okay? All right, so let's do examples. Okay, cats are animals. This is a fact because you can prove that cats are indeed animals, okay? So no one can argue this and say that cats are not animals, okay? There are a lot of evidence that you can come up with to prove that cats are animals, okay? But this is an opinion. Dogs are better pets than cats, okay? So that's an opinion because that is something that not everyone will agree on, because some people will really believe that cats are better than dogs, okay? So this is where there's a disagreement and an argument, okay? So we're gonna do this exercise. So what I want you to do is bring a paper and a pencil again, and then you're gonna write this down and you're gonna do this with me. We're gonna do this exercise where you're gonna read the sentence and you're gonna see, is it a fact or is it an opinion? Okay, all right, so number one, okay, the summer is better than winter, okay. So this is an opinion because some people will disagree and say maybe that winter is better than summer. Some people might like the cold weather more than the hot weather, right? So this is an opinion. So I'm going to write it down right here. Opinion. Okay. All right. There are 365 days in a year. This is a fact. It is true. If you look it up online or research or ask anyone, everyone will agree that there are 365 days in a year. So this is a fact, okay? All right. Number 3, there are 7 days in a week. Fact or opinion? So fact, can it be proven true or false? Opinion, is this your own belief, your own attitude and judgment? Yes. So it's a fact. There are 7 days in a week. An opinion would be like Friday is the best day of the week, right? Some people think Mondays are the best day of the week, or some people think Sundays are the best day of the week. That's an opinion, okay? Number 4, the prettiest color of the rainbow is red. Okay, fact or opinion? It is an opinion because a lot of people can disagree. I think blue is the prettiest color of the rainbow, okay? Number 5, up is the opposite of down. Can you argue that? No, this is a fact because up is the opposite of down. Okay, fact. Okay, now we're moving to the next exercise. Okay, so we'll do 6 through 10. All right, so let's do number 6. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Fact or opinion? Yes, it's a fact because 2 plus 2 equals 4, right? Do you agree? Yes, it's a fact. Number 7, math is more fun to learn than reading. What do you think? It's an opinion because some of you might disagree. Some of you like reading more than math, okay? I personally like reading more than math. So I think reading's more fun than math, okay? Number 8, happy is the opposite of sad. Yes, that's true. It's a fact. Happy is the opposite of sad. Okay, number 9, pizza is healthy to eat. Okay, I feel like parents and kids might disagree on this. I feel like kids might say pizza is healthy to eat, but parents might say pizza is not healthy to eat. Okay, so I don't know. This one I feel like could be more of an opinion. It's not a fact. Because pizza is not healthy to eat, in my opinion. Okay, Kobe Bryant was the best basketball player. Okay, so this is an opinion because I disagree. I think Michael Jordan is the best basketball player. Okay. All right, boys and girls. So now that we know the difference between fact and opinion, you're going to go on Seesaw and you're going to do an activity where you're going to have to decide which statement is a fact or an opinion. And then I want you to submit your work on Seesaw. And I'll see you next time for another writing lesson on opinion writing. Okay? Bye, boys and girls.